I believe, folks, this is the real deal. I know the guy that is somewhat involved with this car, and I believe he was telling me this is the real deal. This is a real Marty Robbins Charger. Now, 73 didn't have the hideaway headlights. I did this car a couple years ago, so it's on the channel already. Check out the size of those lug nuts. The steering wheel's awful close to the dash. All right, folks. Marty Robbins NASCAR Charger. Wish he had the hood up. We've been kind of. I don't think he's got the engine restored yet. Imagine that's real there. He's been sandblasting my Daytona that day. Alright folks, hit that thumbs up button and show some love. It really helps with the algorithms. And scroll down and watch some other videos if you don't mind. And hit the thumbs up on those too, please. So, Bob out.